Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here with the 55 Kevin and I pulled out of the junkyard in New York. The story continues with this car as it's headed to the restoration shop. Let's take a quick look at how we got here.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do here.
We
I'm just trying to make a bridge.
you better call the army if you're gonna make a bridge. We got a rock right there?
No, it's not a rock, it's a full axle.
Oh, of course, it's car parts. Yeah, what was that thing?
Look at it though, it just says, save me.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's got a motor. No oil cap, that's always a good sign. We're gonna move this thing out of here. Oh, we got the other snowflake. Hell yeah. Ooh. Little light in here.
There it is. See if it stays in one piece.
What you got? A VW seesaw?
Check it. Ah, yeah, there it is.
So we got what, one more?
Yeah, we just got one more of the
All right, cool.
driver's rear. It's coming. Got it.
Guys, we made it out to Larry's. A lot of you are wondering who would tackle such a pristine example of the VW Beetle. I've had a few people in my driveway this week who have looked at this car and thought, no way. So you tell us, how would one tackle such a, because this is, I mean, for me, it's, they compromised it with like a forklift or a loader.
Yep.
So you have a technique where you tell us how you would tackle this.
Typically you want to, because the body's all bent and twisted, typically you want to fit the body to the door. So that I would put a replacement door on there and get it to fit the opening. And it looks like when it was in the junkyard, they maybe put a machine or a skid steer on here and pushed that post in. So I would have to get that pulled out, get the door to fit, and then put some bracing in it. Typically then I would proceed to maybe get channels in it, but there's absolutely nothing left underneath for reference to put the channels in. So I do have a jig that I made from an old floor pan. It has that mimics a floor pan, and I can build the body on that. It's like a dolly. I can show you that.
Yeah.
Get a picture of it, and then keep the doors on it. Obviously, for most of the metal work, is you have to constantly keep checking your door gaps, things like that. Again, it can get braced again and then put on a rotisserie, which is what I normally do. Okay, so this is a jig slash dolly that I use when I restore a VW that's really rusty and doesn't have any reference points left, i.e. the heater channels are completely gone and things like that. So this is built from a bug pan, and the side angle irons mimic the floor pan mounting exactly. So if a car is really rusted, I'll actually start to build the body on this. This way here, you got your reference, you got my front mounts, trunk mounts here, I got your mounts that go on the torsion housings, and it ensures a proper fit and alignment and everything is installed properly.
What's a big mistake that people make when doing heater channels per se without something like this?
Well, I usually try to get them in the car. If there's a little bit of floor pan left and you can line up the holes, I'll get them fit into the car while it's still on the original pan, even if the center of the pan is all rusted out.
Right.
And then proceed from there. And then when the body comes off, now you have to locate the heater channels to the pan, because you're gonna be cutting out what's left of the old pan. So I have a jig that I make up that locates the front mounting holes, rear mounting holes with the holes in the floor pan. And so when the new floor pans go in, I'm able to trim them and fit them to match that jig. So I have a guaranteed fit when the body and the pan are mated together. And you'll see on my 65 convertible, when I mated the body and the pan back together, and that every bolt hole lined up, and I put every bolt in with my fingers.
Right, nice.
No hogging out anything. The hardest thing is pushing it through the rubber gasket.
Nice.
So that's how I do it to properly restore one of these cars.
Nice. Let's go check out the vert.
You got it.
Nice. Oh man. Wow. There it is. Wow. I've seen this car. Wow. Wow. Yeah, man. Yeah. I went over this car. You had it on the rotisserie at the time, and I could not find anywhere that you worked on it. Like, because you mimicked all the factory spot welds.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, it was amazing. What a car! So the tops?
The top is here. Yep.
And other than that, it just needs assembly, right after the top.
Yep.
Wow. So you're gonna show this? What's the plan with this car?
I'm probably gonna show it this year, and then I think maybe in the fall we'll put it up for sale, and then go for onto the next project.
Man, it's gonna be available, guys. What a car! Oh, look at that!
It's all properly restored.
Oh, nice.
Correct finish on the engine case.
Yeah, the finish. Tell me about.
It has a goldish tinge to it.
Yeah.
Is what it should have. A lot of people paint them silver or just leave them, raw magnesium. But they did have a goldish tinge to them when they were
Nice.
new.
Is that the original engine?
It is matching number.
Wow.
Yep. I got the birth certificate,
Oh,
matching
awesome.
pan, matching body, and that's the engine that this car was born with.
Wow.
All rebuilt.
All
it does have
rebuilt.
the big bore kit in it. So,
Nice.
The slip-ins.
They're nice drivers. I've driven a Gia that's got that big bore kit. Man, look at that in the sun. L41.
Yeah, original black.
Man, that is perfect.
That's your seats.
Nice. So what color is that?
Well, there's only two available for 65. And then I think they call it salt and pepper or something like that. It's,
Yeah.
it's a gray mesh, I think they call it.
Love this car. Semaphore. Stratus silver on red. This is like my favorite color combination.
You can film this up there if you want to.
One bullet. Because what happened, the dealer, they didn't have any ovals?
Yeah, they didn't have. The car got hit sometime in, I'm guessing the 60s.
Yeah.
On the right side. So the dealer didn't have a non-bullet fender for this
Yep.
car, so they sold him a bullet one. Interior is completely original.
Awesome.
Everything from the, everything from the carpets to the headliner to the seat covers. Nothing's ever been changed inside. So
Really?
original paint
Awesome.
on the doors.
Love this car. And this one's gonna be for sale.
Oh, I don't know.
You said when you finish the 50, what year is it? 9 ragtop?
59 ragtop. Then yeah, then maybe.
Then maybe I was gonna get a crack at buying this
Well,
one.
we'd have to trade.
Oh, trade.
You have some things I like.
It's gonna be a single cab. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a single cab. Still has the 36. Awesome.
Yeah.
Favorite engine right there. Love it. All right, well, I can't wait to see it at the dust off. Don't ask what I'll be driving. That went fine. Well, it's a beautiful day here in New England. I typically never sell cars this close to being done, but Larry's a good friend. It's going to a good home, so I know he'll take care of it. And I know I'll get the 54 eventually, so. You guys take care. Larry, when are we working on this?
Oh, it's down on the list.
It's down on the list. We have the 59. So the 65 is almost done. Then the 59 ragtop. Remember, Larry pulled it out of the shed or tarp tent. So that's next. So more updates on that. I can't wait, because the 65 is almost done. Can't wait to see that on the road. So more updates from Larry's. I'm excited. You excited?
Sure.
It's spring. We're excited. It's not to be excited about. You got another fine. It rolls nice.
It does.
Even with flat tires.
Saw that brake work you did.
I service these brakes myself.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, the restoration has begun.
Hey, thanks for going back for that other seat too.
I was hoping most of that fell out on the way over here. Installing the rear seat. Do you have a vision yet?
It's cloudy. I need those S'mores light that you can drink.
Wow, look at that.
And I have a vision.
True or false, that's $500 you've ever spent.
It's worth it for that. I mean, I will get it to the point. I don't know. I'll say. I gotta digest it. I do.
Well, enjoy it. Hey guys, well, looks like winter's back. It snowed on Easter. This is where I've been, moving 1 or 2, give 20 or 30 cars out of the driveway. Last but not least, Pine Needle Kia. And I did find Larry a door. Thank you to Larry for having us out to the shop, showing us a 65. We'll get this over so we can get to work on that 55. So I'm gonna get this to the shop. This will all be clear. So I do have one car coming that it's really large. It's a bucket list car. It's gonna take up all that. Got a new neighbor. Hey, maybe that's why we got rid of all these cars. Coincidence? Anyway, you guys have a good week. We'll see you soon. I've got a lot of new content coming on all different kinds of things, and might even, well, I'm not gonna tell you. Just stay tuned. So have a great week, and we'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Just keep it down over there. So you know I'm trying to shoot a video. It's windy, air guns. Don't get crushed. I don't have jaws of life. What do you...
Bumper it. Yeah.
This is not sketchy at all. What are you seeing?
I think
Oh,
Look underneath, man. I think that's another freaking. I think that's the second bus he's talking about.
No.
I'm gonna go down there.
All right.
Man, that's a bummer. We said we were gonna find. He said, oh, I think I got 2 back there.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Is it? Looks like a headlight bucket for a bus.
That's a bus, brother.
Oh no.
Oh, what a fucking bummer. Still got the motor in it too.
Oh. Jeez.
What a freaking bummer, dude.
Oh, that's a pan. Is that one above you a panel or a 11 window?
I can't tell.
Oh man.
Oh, dude, it was a panel.
Hey, the good news is you already got a panel. We got a panel for sale here.
Lightly,
7,500 or best
dude,
offer.
look how clean the frame parts are on it, though.
I see
What I
that.
need for the double cab. Back sections. Look at that.
I know.
Oh, man. I was really hoping we were gonna find another bus.
Yeah, well we did.
We did.
It's a headlight bucket. Wow.
Dude, what a bummer, man. It's got good
Can you drive it out? Don't roll it over on yourself.
dude, it's got a nice dash in it. Also, we got a front seat.
Here, shoot me
We got a front seat in here. Dude, we got a front seat. It's roached, but it's still the frames there. You got pedal assembly. Everything's there. You got steering column. No gauges. You do got the stick. Oh man, what a freaking shame, dude, to see this. What an absolute shame. And it was a panel. What size are these? Oh, it's free. Look at that.
oh yeah, look at this thing's got extra lights in the deck lid. Lights above. I think if you push that thing, it'd roll right over.
Dude, what a bummer that the other one's underneath it.
Yeah, wow, even the front frame's solid too. Well, you got the transmission, still good. Cut those frame sections out. Damn. Oh, man, look at the rest of that bus. Unbelievable. Wow, the beam's actually not even rusted. Folded that thing in half. It's too bad. Still a lot of parts on this thing though. I don't know where he is.